Hello YouTube, how is it going? Welcome to my small YouTube channel which I will be uploading and streaming trading related stuff. I've been trading for almost 4 years and I've decided to give back to the community by launching a YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be talking about how to improve your trades with the stochastic indicator using price action, in the case the candlestick patterns, also market structure, basic support and resistance. So if you're a new trader, you're probably in the right space, so stick to the end of this video as I will be giving some tips to improve your trades at the end. So let's begin. To add the stochastic indicator to your chart, simply press indicators, type in stochastic and simply click on this stochastic indicator here. I already have mine, so I won't be clicking on it. Then I'll also be adding candlestick patterns, the all candlestick patterns indicator here. You've probably seen the stochastic indicator before, as it is very widely used by traders. The lines you see here are the D line, which is in orange, and the K line blue. You might find your line colors different, and you could press the here button to see which one is your line. Mine orange for the D line and blue for the K line. Stochastics indicator creates a signal when the blue line crosses the orange line. So in this case, if the blue line is below the 20 point here and it crosses the orange line upwards, it means there's a buy signal over here. Okay, the only problem here is if you simply use the indicator alone to open a position, you might find yourself trapped in trades given by false signals. For example, over here, there's an uptick of the blue line which crosses the orange line below the 20 point here. It's a buy signal, but if you open the trade right after signal is created, you will be stopped out immediately. That's a bad trade over here. So to prevent this, you can use the candlestick patterns as a confluence to your trades. Most of the time I only use two candlestick patterns, which is the engulfing candles, the bullish engulfing candles right here, and the bearish engulfing candles. This candlestick pattern indicator is very useful for newbie traders, because if you want to know more about the patterns, you can just simply put your mouse over text and you can read the description of the candle so you can learn more about it. Alright, so let's backtest this strategy for a bit. I'm on replay mode, so I'll be fast forwarding until we see a setup or a false signal, and I could highlight it to you. Alright, here you can see the blue line crosses the orange line upwards, and if you're using this indicator standalone, you would probably open a trade here. But for me, I wouldn't personally be opening a trade here, as it is a bit too risky, because there was an impulse move before and the trade might go against my predictions. Let's see. New profit. Oh no. Alright. See? So for now we need to wait until a bullish engulfing tag appears or a bearish engulfing tag appears. Okay, so it appeared right after the false signal. So here you can see there's a bullish engulfing candle. Also, it's near this zone here, this support zone here. Okay, so support is not a price, it's a zone. So the fact that this price jumped from here until up here, meaning there's a support somewhere here, right? So this trade, I would consider it as valid, so I'll be taking it. And also I forgot to mention there's a signal here. So how I do it is, usually I would open the trade at the candle close, the bullish engulfing candle close, and I would put the stop loss slightly below here, and I would target at least 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 here. Sometimes I would target it a bit higher, but right now the price is dropping quite hard, so it would be kind of overzealous to target it up here. So I might be targeting it here, 1 to 1.5. Yep, that sounds good. Let's see how this trade goes. Yep, as you can see, the price hit or take profit. Let's see if you could find another example. Oh yeah, that's actually a bullish engulfing, but it doesn't really show it to the tag. But if you see this, even without the tag, and it is somewhere around the support area, and there's an uptick in the stochastic indicator, I would consider this as valid. So how I would trade this is, again, open on the candle close, place your stop loss below the recent low, or maybe the current candle low, and put your take profit near the next structure, which is here. Okay, but as you can see, the price move up way above our take profit. So here's a trick that I usually use. When your price hits your take profit, I would close 50% of my position. Okay, and then I set my stop loss to break even, and I let the rest of my position ride with a trailing stop loss. Okay, so chances are, if I open here, I do this method that I've just mentioned, I would close my position entirely, probably somewhere around here, because this is the next structure, right? And by doing that, you would increase your risk to reward factor in the long run, right? Alright, so that's all for now. I know it's kind of short for a tutorial video, but I'm still new, so please forgive if I made some errors in the video. But if you do like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And also check my channel out, because I'll be live streaming signals 24/7, and you can find some trades that I take personally in the live stream. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.